In this lesson, we will learn about how to calculate the mode of a group data. Let's start with an example. So we are given here the scores in the first column, and we are given the number of students, that's the frequency, in the second column, and we need to find the mode. Now, first of all, what is the mode? Mode is the most frequently occurring number, means most repeating number, means which has the highest frequency. So in this case, the 12 has the highest frequency. So this will help us to find out the modal class. So this is going to be our modal class. So what is the modal class? Modal class is the interval in which we have the highest frequency. Now, after finding the modal class, we need to find the mode. The formula for the mode is equals to L plus Fm minus F0 or F0 we can say over 2Fm minus F0 minus F2 times H. Now what is L stands for? L is the lower limit of the modal class. So in this case I can write here L. So L is 20. So that is the lower limit of the modal class and its value is 20 in this case. Now what is Fm stands for? Fm stands for the frequency of the modal class, and that's right here, and its value is 12. Now frequency of the preceding class, like the class interval just before that, and this is here F0, its value is 9. The frequency of the succeeding class, that is denoted by F2, and its value is 10. Now what is the class size? Class size is denoted by the letter H, or its class size or class width. It's the upper limit minus the lower limit. So that's going to give us 30 minus 20, which gives us 10. So now we got all the values. Now plug in the values over here. So the value of mode is equals to L, which is 20, plus Fm, which is 12, minus F0, which is 9. In the denominator, I got double of Fm, frequency of the modal class, that's 12, minus 9, minus 10 times 10, right? Now we need to solve this. Let me erase all the other things, whatever is here. Now let's solve this. It's 20 plus, now what's 12 minus 9? That's 3. In the denominator, 2 times 12, that's 24, minus 9 minus 10 times 10. 20 plus 3 over. Now what's 24 minus 19? That gives us 5 times 10. How many times 5 goes into 10? That's double, that's twice. 20 plus, what is 3 times 2? That gives us 6. That gives us 26 as an answer for mode of this data. That's how you can calculate the mode of a group data. If you want to learn how to calculate the mean, median, variance, standard deviation, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.